Na yɛkɔ emrase bedwafie wo hwa bedwaku a wɔmo adwuma ene so ma yɛn sase mu agudie ne wɔmo ɛhwɛ so no na ɛyɛ ne Adom Kasee wo sa bedwaku no so kyerɛ enye no kreda ese ebra EWOYAA lithium wɔmo ekohunu se bi wasase ne so na wɔsaban ene ɛyɛ nyumakuo bi de wɔmo sakwa apamase no enya de ya wɔmo ebotugu ya na se wɔsɔre gina yɛse emoane momu no ene de wɔmo ɛfrɛ ne se ɔhamu ntikyemu enum eno no ɛyɛ de ɔman no ensabeka no wɔmo empejemu enkobe so ɔhamu ntikyemu edu.
Present administration, Honorable Kofi, Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, has presented an agreement between the Republic of Ghana and Ferrari TPT Ghana Limited on lithium. In that agreement, government did not specify any percentage, but said that royalty will be paid as prescribed by law. What it means is that what is prescribed by law at the moment is 5%. Revenues generated from a 5% revenue, 5% royalty, and 10% royalty can never be the same. The preference is to have 10% or more. But the same condition that was raised in the previous regime arises. The law has to be amended. The law has to be amended. So, what it means is that this law, which is the current on royalties, Minerals and Mining Amendment Act 2010, as 794, has to be amended to up the rate from 5% to whatever percentage the minister so wishes. Certainly, the amendment will end up in Parliament for Parliament to consider and pass. I can see, talking to many people in this country and also in Parliament, that the preferred number is 10. But we don't have the capacity to say it's 10%, 11%, or 12%. That lies with the minister. And that has to be left with the minister. The committee has advertised the agreement, seeking public opinion on the agreement.